Ladies and gentlemen. This is a Calling All Dinosaurs special event. Tonight we're gonna draw the great Megaloceros. An ancient relative to the great moose and most deer. Megaloceros have been around since the Ice Age, otherwise known as the otherwise known as the well, Pleistocene. These are the moose. Let's see what else I can find on this legendary hero. Let's see. Curious. Here we go. Owner of the largest antlers. Fossil finds were in Europe. It was one of the hooked mammals and a number of animals that lived on the grassland and open forest that existed on ice sheets perimeter. It enjoyed short, fertile summers. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Let's see what else we can spice up.
Best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world. You can beat the war. You can talk the guy, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up. You can beat the clock. You can move a mountain. You can break rocks. You can be a master. Don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know.
There we are. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, name an ancient species of deer.
From animalicologyfocus.com. Reindeer are one of the most ancient deer species, and provided an important food source for primitive humans moving northwards following the retreat of the ice during the last glaciation.
Alexa, what is reindeer?
The reindeer or caribou is a species of deer with circumpolar distribution, native to Arctic, subarctic, tundra, boreal, and mountainous regions of northern Europe, Siberia, and North America. This includes both sedentary and migratory populations. It is the only representative of the genus Rangifer. Herd size varies greatly in different geographic regions.
Thank you. That's more like it. That is how you draw a Megaloceros. What a perfect, placid, prehistoric animal. The dinosaur playlist is long, and it's going to continue to get bigger and better and better. This one goes out to everyone who enjoys this as much as I do. Anyway, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this beautiful dinosaur. Let me know what other dinos you want me to draw, amazing animals you want me to draw next. Good night, guys.